Hey everyone! Today I'm going to tell you how Pratt Whitney's geared turbofan, or GTF, engines are revolutionizing aviation. Grab your seat and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about fuel and emissions savings. Since their introduction, GTF engines have saved a staggering 1 billion gallons of fuel and cut carbon emissions by 10 million metric tons. That's equivalent to removing over 2 million cars from the road annually. In terms of efficiency, 2022 was a remarkable year. The GTF engines used on the A320neo family saw further improvements in both fuel efficiency and CO2 emissions. This means cleaner skies and more sustainable flying. Now here's something really exciting. Pratt & Whitney successfully tested the more powerful GTF Advantage engine using 100% sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. This is a massive leap towards greener aviation. Certification and flight testing also made significant progress. Certification testing for the GTF Advantage engine began, and development flight tests started on the A320neo aircraft last year. This means we're closer to seeing these advanced engines in commercial service. Pratt & Whitney is also pushing innovation through the Switch program, working alongside Airbus, MTU Aero Engines, Collins Aerospace and GKN Aerospace. They're enhancing the geared fan architecture with hybrid electric systems and water-enhanced turbine technology. Talk about cutting-edge tech. And let's not forget the impressive orders and deliveries. In 2022 alone, over 1,100 GTF engine orders and commitments were announced. To date, more than 1,400 aircraft with GTF engines have been delivered to 64 operators globally. That's a lot of planes flying more efficiently. The GTF MRO network also expanded last year, including partners like Air France Industries, KLM Engineering and Maintenance and Delta Technics. This ensures that maintenance, repair and overhauls are top-notch wherever you are. When it comes to noise and emissions reduction, GTF-powered aircraft are leading the way. They reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emissions by 16% to 20%, NOx emissions by up to 50%, and noise footprint by up to 75%. That's a win for the environment and for passengers seeking quieter flights. And here's the cherry on top. The GTF engine is the only geared propulsion system in commercial service today. This unique technology sets it apart from the rest, making flights more efficient than ever. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of GTF engines, don't forget to like and subscribe for more aviation insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.